What's going on, guys? Crash Outdoors here. Oh my word, it is rainy, wet, windy, all the above. Weather's crazy, but I have to show you what I found in this here Goodwill. It is awesome. I can't believe this. I've been looking for it for a long time, not this specifically, but yeah, I can't believe I actually found it finally after searching for a while. It just shows consistency pays off. So let's get out of this wind and rain and let's get somewhere dry so I can show you what I got. All right, guys, so I'm home. I can't find a place where it's going to be dry enough for me to do this and show you what I got from Goodwill. And I can't go inside to do this because my wife, she's not feeling well. I don't want to bug her. In a couple minutes, I have to go in there and make lunch anyway. And so I'm going to do this out here. So hopefully my GoPro and with my other cameras, hopefully we get a good video here. So let me show you what I got. All right, guys, there it is. It's what I got at Goodwill. KVD. Was it Team KVD? Yeah, Team KVD. Quantum baitcaster. It's a 7:3-to-1 gear ratio. Oh my word, guys. I have never found anything like this at Goodwill ever. And yeah, I have been looking. When it comes to saving money, I'm all for saving money, but there's some things, you shouldn't, skimp out on. But with fishing gear, if I can save money, I will save money on fishing gear. And I don't understand why someone would give this to Goodwill. Now I'd be like, oh, well, because it's a Quantum, oh, whatever. I looked this thing over. It looks good. It feels great. I'm going to break it open real quick and see what's going on, but I mean, this is a really good reel and a really good rod for the price. I mean, look, I got it for 18 bucks. And this retailed the combo, the Team KVD combo, I mean, back a few years ago, it was going for $200. So, for 18 bucks, it's not a bad deal. So, if you're on a budget, here's another option for you. Go check Goodwill. I know a lot of times you're going to strike out when you go over there, but it's always that chance, that little teeny chance that you can find something there. And guess what? I did today. So let's bust this thing open. Let's see what's going on with it, if any. I mean, it feels good. I do have, a little idea why they gave it to Goodwill, but let's go see what's inside. Okay, guys, let's bust this thing open. But first, like I said, I think I know why they sent it to Goodwill. I've seen this a lot when I was working over at the local bait and tackle shop, Fisherman's Warehouse, here in Sacramento, California. And I was in the reel repair department. I used to fix reels and everything. And I would always get this every day. People would come in saying, oh man, my drag on my reel, it's not working. They would put braid on it and they wouldn't back the braid. So let's just take all this braid off real quick. Oh no. Yeah. It's already binding on itself right here. Yeah, that means they didn't back it. I can already tell. But I think that's the problem right there. They didn't back their braid. Alright. At the end. Yeah. See that, guys? They didn't back their braid. They just tied it directly to the spool. There you guys have it. They didn't back their braid. I guarantee you, other than them just not wanting this combo, that's probably the reason why they gave their reel to Goodwill. I'm not even going to open it up the rest of the way. It's going to be a waste of my time, waste of your time just to see me open it up and then put it back together again when there's nothing wrong with it. So that's it, man. I'm just, I'm ecstatic. But it sucks that, someone got rid of it just because of that problem. Whenever you put braid on, always back your braid. Always put, either if you don't want to put monofilament, go ahead and put some electrical tape on the spool before you put your braid on. Or if you're the type that likes to put monofilament on the back, fill it halfway with mono, attach the braid to your mono, and then have the braid on top. Like I said, I've seen this countless numbers of times. And, unfortunately for this guy or gal, whoever owned this rod and reel combo before, they gave it to Goodwill and, hey, I lucked out. I found it. All right. Well, you know what? I'm hungry. So let's get inside. Let's cook some lunch. we'll see you inside. Real quick, before we do go inside, if you're interested in me doing a tutorial on actually breaking down a reel and doing maintenance on it and putting it back together, let me know down in the comments. All right, guys? All right, let's get inside and make some lunch. But remember, I have to be quiet. My wife's not feeling well. All right, guys, so I got the oil preheating right now, and I got the fish out, ready to go. Unfortunately, my wife is not feeling well now, so I will be my own cameraman, and I'm going to look ridiculous. Watch. See, what did I tell you? I'm going to look ridiculous. But you know what? It's okay. We're going to get this stuff made, so hopefully this works. Hopefully it works. I don't know. We're about to find out. So my wife found this at the store. It's pretty cool. It's like a little shaker thingy. So what you do is you put your meat in this tray. You put your crumbs or whatever you want to batter it up with in this tray. Close it like so. Put the lid on it. You hold it down and you shake it. It's pretty cool. Hopefully it works. We're about to find out. Okay, so really quick and easy. I'm going to be using some Everglades heat, fish and chicken, and cactus dust. Hopefully you guys can see it on my lovely head mount. Okay. So let's get these guys here. Just put it into strips real quick, just down the middle. And this guy right here, nice finger size pieces. We'll just leave this guy right here. Same with these, down the middle. And so just, I'd say about 1 inch to 2 inches. Yeah, that'll work. All right, cut it up like so. And into the pile. One more. Yep, and there's our oil right there, getting all nice and hot. So one more. Boom. Right into the pile. Okay. So, some heat. Not a lot, just enough so you can taste it. Some heat. Some fish and chicken. And some cactus dust. Not a lot of cactus dust, just enough. All right, mix all this around. Look at that, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so let's get this bowl here thingy. Take the lid off. Oh, this is getting really hot. Let's turn it off. Okay. Put some of your panko breadcrumbs in there. I hope I'm doing this right. If not, we're about to find out. Okay. Put this guy on right here. Actually, no, let's put a little bit more in there. It doesn't look about... There you go. Some breadcrumbs. Boom. And let's put some of this fish in here. I don't know if I should put all of it in. No, you know what? Let's just put a little bit in at a time. Put the lid on. I'm gooping up the lid. Let's see. Everything's nice and sealed. Alright, shake it. It didn't do anything. Maybe I'm supposed to put some... I might have to put this in the egg white first. Alright, let's do that. Okay, let's try this again. Put it in the egg wash. Knock off excess. Onto the tray. Same with this. On the tray. This might be the way to do it. Alright. Awesome. Dry my hands off. Cover her up. Put that off to the side. Okay, we're good. Close that vent. Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh my word, that worked. That worked. Look at that. That is so awesome. Let's put you in the light over here. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Wow. Okay, hopefully all our seasoning stayed on it. And let's see. Now a nice little trick to see if your oil is nice and hot and ready to work is if you just drop a little teeny bit of breadcrumbs. You see that? It just started sizzling right up. So let's put one in. And always lay away. Don't lay forward, lay away from you. Just like that. Lay away. Already that smells pretty good. Ooh-wee. Just make sure these things are nice, not burning. Let's flip them. Oh yeah. And these guys I think are almost already done. Doesn't take long. I think these guys are nice and done. Let's see. Oh yeah. Put these guys on a plate with napkins on it. Oh, these look nice. Good to go. Woohoo! Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest of these and I'll see you at the table. Alright guys, so they just got done. I finished cooking the rest of them. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Let me break it open here. Ooh, look at that steam. Nice golden on the outside, nice white and flaky on the inside. That looks good. Oh my lord. Ooh, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh. That's good, but it's hot. Wow. Now, I know some of you here on the West Coast haven't heard about Everglades seasoning, but trust me, it's by far the best seasoning out there. Order it online. I know that's the only way we can get it out here, but if you can, try it. It's amazing. It makes this fish, even though it's a nice white fish, it's tilapia, it's nice and white, nice and tasty, it makes it 10 times better. Wow. But anyway, that's all I got for you today. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. Welcome. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see. Don't forget to like the videos and don't forget to comment if you have a comment. All right, guys, see y'all next time. Bye-bye now.